This is Jeremy Glover, your favorite financial advisor. This is just going to be a tutorial on how to use PO options, pocket options trading, right? So, pocket options trading is, I would say, the best platform to trade options because of the fast withdrawals and also the fast deposits and accurate trades, right? So, I just wanted to go over a tutorial on how to do a deposit inside of pocket options, how to actually use the functionality of pocket options. So the link below, go to the link below and you will actually be able to actually access, your free account. So you want to go over here and create a login, but I already have a login. So let me just go to login, but you want to register under registration and it's a free account, right? So you have different functionalities on this account where you can actually trade effectively to where however you want to do it. So you got a demo account, then you got a live real account. So you can trade, you can actually practice on your demo account until you actually get good at placing trades and getting the proper education to actually use to trade options. Now, if you want to get more information about how to actually trade options, you actually want to go to the link below. The link below is going to be Trade Junkies Investment Group, right? .org. When you go to TradeJunkiesInvestmentGroup.org and sign up for our mentorship. When you sign up for our mentorship, then we'll actually teach you how to actually use not just use pocket options, but actually have an effective strategy on how to actually, get in and out of trades, with a short amount of time. So, as you know, option trading, right? Option trading goes by time. When you're in you use a lot amount of time to actually get into the trade. So, and then you choose the amount you want to risk. So, you got your wallet. If you're not, familiar with these type of brokers, you got your wallet where you put money in, the finances, profile. You want to fill out the profile, right? Fill out the profile, do your authenticator, extra safety on there, by, doing your IDs. You want to put in your IDs and actually upload your IDs to this broker so you can actually, be effective when you want to do your withdrawals. And they do withdrawals really fast as well. So we're looking at the different currency pairs. So the different currency pairs are going to be over here. So when you go over here, you're going to see the different percentages that they have. They have the highest percentages as well. 92. Of course, this is the weekend, but they keep really good percentage payouts as well on this broker account. So you're actually able to trade currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, which is gold and silver, stocks, indices, which is the US 30, SP 500, things like that, right? And then how you place your trades. You place your trades a put or a call, right? So the put or call is going to be when you're expecting price to actually go stay above a certain price, you're gonna hit call. When you're expecting price to stay below a certain price within that allotted amount of time, you're gonna hit put, right? And at the end of that allotted time, if your put or call is correct, you will make money. You will make this times the percentage of the actual the percentage of your actual trade, right? The 92%. So we're gonna place our first trade, predicting what we want to look at is we want to look at, we want to look at pretty much what is the allotted time that you want to trade. So this is how you choose your allotted time that you want to trade. So I got 5-minute candles on here. I got 5-minute candles on here. I got 15 minutes. I got 30 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and on up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. So you can stay in the trade for 4 hours, right? And at the end of that 4 hours, you're going to get a profit. So, but what I typically like to do is to stay in between the 3 and the 5 minutes, right? I like to stay in between the 3 and the 5 minutes. So I'm gonna hit call because I believe that it's gonna, eventually go back up. So that call is going to be for 5 minutes. And until that 5 minute candle is up, I'm going to show you some other things on the platform, right? Because that 5 minutes can go pretty quick. So you got your total over here. So I literally just only leveraged $25 of the account. You want to stay because you don't want to put a large amount in there and blow that money in 5 minutes, right? You want to have a trade plan. And this is what, Trade Junkies Investment Group is going to actually help you with. We're going to actually help you, set up a proper trade plan and then find a strategy that pretty much fits your personality. That's what we do. So what we're doing is we're just doing a tutorial on how to actually place the trades, but I can show you how I actually won that trade, a little bit later down the road. So you can do top off. So to top up, when you're topping up your actual account, you can put more money in your account. So we're going to switch on over to the real account. So how to make a deposit, right? Because you want to know how to make a deposit inside a real account. So you hit deposit, and this pops up, right? So what are you gonna put a deposit in? How much? What you want to do a deposit with Bitcoin? That's why they're actually able to do deposits and withdrawals fast. So you want to actually go on your Cash App, and you want to buy however much you want to deposit in here with Bitcoin. You're gonna buy that Bitcoin. Once you buy that Bitcoin, whether it be $100, you're gonna hit continue. When you hit continue, see, this is going to pop up. So you can actually scan your actual wallet that you're using, that you actually bought the Bitcoin off of, to actually get this actual address. So when you scan that, it's going to come on your wallet, and then the wallet is going to send that money to this broker account within 5 to 10 minutes, maybe. Right. The same thing with withdrawals, right? We'll go over withdrawals as well. So the withdrawals, work pretty good as well. So the withdrawals, first you withdraw with Bitcoin, then you put the amount, say it's that $100. Then you put the actual address you want to actually transfer to. So which means you'll go inside your Cash App, you go inside whatever wallet that you actually are using, and you're gonna actually go to receive Bitcoin and copy and paste that receive Bitcoin address and copy it to this address. This is the address you're looking for right here. And then you hit continue, and then they'll send you a confirmation in your email, or they have something where you can put money in a safe, right? So which means you can actually use this as a banking system, right? Because all we know is that you want to keep your money in a safe place online, things like that. This is a good place to actually, store some money inside the safe. Good little feature that they just added. So I think that's pretty awesome. You can put money in your safe. You can actually, withdraw some money, and you can actually do your banking right on Pocket Options Trading new platform, right? Not new, but upgraded, right? So profile. So when you go into profile, you just want to fill out the profile history, my safe. See, you go to my safe. You can activate my safe, right? See, calculating profitable. This is how you can actually calculate your funds, right? Put yourself on a budget and do your own banking online, right? On this platform, you can make money on this, and you can actually do your banking on this. So that's definitely a plus with this platform. So, I showed you how to do a deposit. I showed you how to place your first trade. Let's go back and see if that trade won, right? Let's go back and see if that trade won. Trade looks like it's 36 more seconds for us to win this trade. And you see our trade is down here, and we're closing up here within 5 minutes. So we did win that trade. So in order to get that, to go to the next step in, this tutorial, go down to the bottom to TradeJunkiesinvestmentgroup.org and, sign up for our mentorship so we can actually show you the strategies, one-on-one, show you the strategies to actually get to build your account from small to large, with confidence. So Jeremy Glover, your favorite financial advisor, over and out. Peace.